Hey, what's up guys, Miles here. So I got a question for you. What's eating you? As you probably guessed, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the word eat in a couple of English expressions. When something is eating you, it makes you unhappy and annoyed. This phrase is used to ask someone what's bothering them or why they're not happy. So next time you see a friend who's not happy, you can say, "You look upset. What's eating you?" Eat like a bird versus eat like a horse. If you eat like a bird, you always eat a small amount of food. On the contrary, if you eat like a horse, you eat a lot of food. A bite to eat is a small or quick meal. For example, before making this video, I had a bite to eat. Actually, it was more than a bite to eat. It was more of a... If you eat a meal at home instead of going to a restaurant, you eat in. Otherwise, you eat out. For example, I eat in on weekdays, but on weekends, I prefer to eat out. If you eat your words, you admit that what you said before was wrong. For example, my friend said I'd never win, but he had to eat his words after I won the game. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Signing out, Miles.